Hello, my name is Petrescu Elena Madalina. My student number is 204-10468. I will be presenting today my project for Group 19. Unfortunately, I will be the only one presenting today. I will start with my documentation. I have here my schema design that shows the tables that I have chosen and the objects. The main ones are the sponsor, experience, and tickets, and my objects are activity type, activity vary type, and address type. Below you can find the table design. Again, I added the main tables, tickets, sponsor experiences, and sponsor tickets. I've chosen for them the primary keys and the foreign keys, along with the data that I thought I will need for this project. In experiences, I use the start day and end day. The start day and the end day as my function and procedure. In sponsor tickets, I just have chosen the primary key as sponsor tickets ID and the foreign keys as ticket ID, sponsor ID, and experience ID. And below it's the address type and the activity vary type. I added a small table that tells us what I have used in the project, as in sequences, functions, procedures, and queries. And below that I added my code. As for my project, I'll use first the drop, so I can clear all my tables. And we'll start with the create tables. I have here the create address type. Some more tools. Just give me 2 seconds, please. So the address type doesn't have errors, and this one doesn't have errors as well. Sometimes the drop doesn't clear all the cache in the background, even though I have at the end a purge. And after that we have the activity type. That doesn't show any errors. We can check the activity type, and it will show us the tables that we have, the object tables that we have. And after that we have the tickets table, the sponsors table. In the address I wanted to use a reference, but it didn't work while inserting, so I had to go back to a basic address type. The experiences table and the ticket table. And again we can check them to see if everything is okay, and we can see a list of all of our tables. Sorry. And after that I added some sequences, which are the tickets, sequences, sponsors, experiences, and sponsor tickets. All of them, they start by 100, 200, 300, and 400, and they increment by 1. And as you can see, all the sequences are working, and well, we will check them. They appear in the nice table. After that, we have the insert table, the inserts. This one is for the address tables. As you can see, no errors. This one is for the tickets. They already have the sequences added, so every time we would insert something into tickets, it should be incremented by 1. That means if the tickets are starting by the number 100, every time we add a new insert, it goes from 101 to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5. We have the sponsors table. And the experiences tables. I use the experiences as activity vary type, and I added 2 activity types to it. And the sponsor tickets. Unfortunately, I didn't manage to make the address work, so it gives me an error. Next, we have the alter tables that are showing us the foreign keys and the primary keys. Next, I added a function that should determine the duration of an event experience based on the start date and end date. As you can see, we have no errors. And along that, I created a procedure that should help the function work properly. And for the queries, I just created a simple query that pulls the data of the sponsors and their address. This is my presentation. Thank you very much and have a nice day.